Okay, I don't know if this is going to be of interest to anybody, but this is a Laserjet 100 color MPMF M175A laser printer. And we now have an error message that I haven't switched it on because I just switched it off. I'm not going to put it back on again, that the head is gone. So I'm going to show you the most easiest way, the only way to change the head on one of these, and it is a doddle. Hopefully the right ones come, which is this one here, and I'll show you how to do it. So what I'm going to do first is just lift up the scanner head, well, the head table, and then lift this up. So we'll go from back, there we go. So scanner head up. This is a cartridge. You pop the cartridges in there when you're changing the cartridges. I think we need to change the black. I think that's already lined up, ready to go. And then what you do then is lift up the front cover. It's that simple. Pull back the two tabs, like so. Drop the head out. And now if you just hold on a second, I'll unpack the other one. Hopefully it's the right one. There we go. I don't think it's a genuine one, but I bought the whole kit, which is the head, a full set of cartridges, which was still in the box. This is a spare, I've got to put it anyway, but we bought a full set of cartridges. It was £43 or £47 for the lot. So it's not bad. The printer is 290 quid, I think. So take the cover off. I might need two hands for this. Yeah, I'm going to put this down. I don't want to damage it, so I'll put this down for a second. Okay, so the cover just pulls off nicely. Take it right down low underneath the blue arms, as you can see. So I'll just show you again. So underneath the blue arms, push it home, drop them into place, cover down, lid down, scanner lid down, and then hopefully power up and wait to see if it sorts itself out. So I'll come back in a sec. So it goes through initializing cycle, so we'll let it carry on with this. It'll have the lights flashing, hopefully it'll pick up the new head, and then we'll go from there. And I think there's a toner out. I'm not taking any notice of these at the moment. I think it's the black that's going. So I'll wait till it's initialized, then we'll come back. Okay, it just said non-HP supplied. I'm not too worried about it because I've got it from Amazon, and it was the head and, like I said, the 4 laser toners, and it was a good write-up, and it had 568 reviews, which were all good. Okay, it's just printed some documents. Okay, the one was a bit faded, now it's calibrating, so it should come up with an error stating to change the black toner, but we'll see. Okay, so we've got ready, question mark on the black, black very low. That's why we're getting slightly fainted printouts. So I'll let it stop, and then I'll use the sequence and I'll show you that how to change the cartridge as well. Okay, just got to lift it up. I might have just dropped up here, but there we go. See what it says. Front door open, and I think it's already lined the black up for me. Just give me a second. That just pops out. There we go. Black, so I'll just replace that. So this is the new one, so you take all the cellophane off and you've got a tab to pull here, which I'll do in a sec now. I can't pull this at the same time, but then you've got to pull this, it's stuck to the polythene. So I'll just pull that out, 2 secs. So there you go, pull the whole strip out. It'll come off completely in a minute. I'll just give it another tug. And that's ready for you to put back in again. Oops, sorry. So, oh, I didn't do that properly then. So, at an angle, pop him in. And it should self-initialize again in a minute. There we go. So So we'll give that a sec and then I'll show you what it does. Okay, it'll go through a load of these, keeps checking each toner that it goes through, and then it'll initialize them, but probably, don't know. I don't remember what to say the word was now. Now it's calibrating, okay. And really that's about it. The question mark light has gone out, or the exclamation mark has gone out, green light, you can see that. Printer, yeah, ready. So we've got a low magenta, no, low cyan, magenta's okay, and yellow, not too bad. It'll last for a while. Okay, thanks for watching, catch you next vid.